Welcome to 30 Laurentide Lane in South Burlington. This is the original Hillside at O'Brien Farm model home. We're thrilled to be offering this great home for sale. Come on in. This home was built in 2018 as the model home for Hillside at O'Brien Farm. The open and flexible floor plan includes a custom farmhouse-style kitchen with quartz counters and a center island. A dining room with a slider to the back deck, and a gorgeous living room with a gas fireplace and built-ins. Plus, there's a den and numerous custom options for you to explore. The expansive first floor primary suite offers a luxurious 5-piece bath and a walk-in closet with custom built-ins. You'll find even more living space in the finished walkout lower level with a third full bathroom, an additional fireplace, plus glass French doors opening onto a spacious stone patio with a gas fire pit for outdoor gatherings. Enjoy abundant natural light streaming in through plenty of windows with 9-foot ceilings, and revel in the savings from own solar panels, reducing your carbon footprint while keeping your energy costs low. Take advantage of the established community with its own park and recreation trails. This convenient South Burlington location is near schools, shopping, the airport, and the scenic bike path. Plus, you're just minutes away from downtown Burlington and the shores of Lake Champlain. Schedule your tour today and make this South Burlington gem your own.